Good morning, children. Today we will start a new lesson, Shivaji's childhood. But before we begin, let me tell you in short about Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars were very brave and fearless. They were loyal to whom they worked for. Few famous Maratha Sardars were Ghorpades of Mudhol, Zadavs of Shindakhed, Nimbarkars of Fulton, Morays of Zavri, and most important, Bhosles of Verul. Now, children, when we are talking about Bhosles, Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Babaji Raje Bhosle had rights of Patil in Verul village. Maloji Raje was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed cracks. Maloji Raje Bhosle, a great devotee of Shiva, visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bale on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside, so the temple of Krushneshwar was restored. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave Sardars. It was period of great unrest. Malik Ambar was Nizam Shah's Wazir. The two capable and brave brothers from Verul caught his attention, and on his recommendation, Nizam Shah offered them Jagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. So Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai, who was from the house of Nimbarkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in the Battle of Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jagir. And later he asked Shahaji Raje to marry with daughter of Lakhujirao Zadav, that is Jizabai. Now, children, let's start with our lesson, Shivaji's childhood. As you know, a large portion of Maharashtra was divided into two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan, and he made an alliance with Adil Shah against Nizam Shah. Brave Sardars of Nizam Shahi, that is Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar, fought against the alliance and defeated both armies. In result, Shahaji Raje praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led rivalry between them. So Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. After some time, Malik Ambar died and his son Fateh Khan became the next Wazir. About same time, the Nizam Shahi began to decline, and there was again a threat of Mughal aggression. Thereafter, on the appeal of Nizam Shah's mother, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi to save it from the aggression. Due to this, Adil Shah became angry and burst down Pune, the principal town of Shahaji's Jagir. Even the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan attacked at the same time. Shahaji Raje was constantly on the run. During this time, Jizabai was pregnant, and Shahaji Raje was worried about her safety and peace. He then decided to send her to Shivneri Fort near Junnar in Pune. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on four sides, strong fortification, and massive doors. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijayaraj, a relative of the Bhosles. He agreed to give protection to Jizabai. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against Mughals. Okay, children, we will continue this lesson in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day ahead.